What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some giant barbecue wings. So, without further ado, let's kick it off, shall we? And spread our wings and fly! That's right, baby. Giant barbecued hot wings. Just in time for the week of the Super Bowl. See, you like them hot wings, you like them good, baby. But they're too small, and you end up eating about 6 million of them. But with these big old wings, you can't miss. It's a touchdown every time. So, let's go ahead and put some in here. Now, the first thing that I had to do was take these chicken drums. And like I said, Black Owl, you're going to say, Black Owl, that's not a wing, that's a drumstick. But I tell you, baby, the big giant wing. So, we dipped these in some flour. I didn't use no egg wash because I ain't got no time for that shit. But this is going to work fine. It's going to give it a good little coating on the outside and give you that crispy, crunchy edge that you want. So we're going to put these wings in here, and I'll tell you what, these wings are going to make you sing, like Paul McCartney's at. So we're going to put them in there like that. Put the flour on top, and you want your oil hot. And you want good, baby, good. So go ahead and put that chicken in there, that old yard bird. Now, next thing we're going to do is add a little seasoning to the thing, because seasoning is going to make it flavorful, baby. It's going to have that good flavor like Cool Mo D. So, let's go ahead and start off with a little lemon pepper. So, we're giving it a lemon zest, sir. And sprinkle that shit right on top of there. Now, let's add a little garlic powder. Not too much, because you don't want that overly garlic shit. You don't want to scare all the vampires away. That's most of them. So, moving on. Let's go ahead and add some black pepper to the thing, just to make you kind of wake up and smell the chicken. Now, a little spice for you, a little paprika in there. Just a tad, not too much. You can do it to taste. With me, I kind of like it spicy. I'm just going to put a little bit though, so I have all the flavors in one. Now, last but not least, let's add a little chili powder, just to give it a little more heat to the thing. So, I'm going to add all kinds of seasoning, baby. It's going to give it all kinds of good flavor. Yeah. Now, you want to go ahead and let these fry maybe about 10 minutes or so. And then you go get your tongs here and clip them just to make sure they work. And you're going to go ahead and flip that chicken one time. Now, when you do, you might say, like, oh, all the flour's gone. It's disappeared like Big Boo in Mario's Castle. But, you know, you can put some more on the other side, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. Go ahead and flip this like this. And once you get it flipped, go ahead and get you some more of that flour and just sprinkle a little bit on top. And then repeat the seasoning process as so. So, once you get that done, and you get all these things fried and they get that good golden brown color on top, sir, go ahead and pull them out, set them to the side, let them cool, and we'll come back and we'll add the sauce, baby, because the sauce is the boss, yes! That's right, buddy. Now we've got our chicken out, and I've already went ahead and put a little sauce on mine because I am starving to death and I just can't wait. But I'll show you how I did it and show you how I did it right. First thing that you got to do is get your sauce here, and today I got the Sweet Baby Ray's because it's the good stuff. Now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, well, could you do like some hot sauce? Well, really, you could do any kind of sauce you want. They're your wings. You go ahead and get it there, old Tony Shalhoub. So, once you get your sauce spread on there, what you want to do is get you an old spoon and just kind of spread it out a little bit, baby. And you're saying to yourself again, like, oh, should I bake these? Well, you can if you want to, but me, I ain't got time for this shit, baby. And they're ready right now. So, let's stand back and take a look, and then we will take a bite of these beautiful, big, giant wings tonight, boy. Oh! Alright, baby, the time has come. The big barbecue wings are done. And I'm having the first bite for me. So, I'm going to pick that big one up right there. Oh, whoa! That sauce, that flavor, that savor. Ah, yeah. All the flavors from those seasonings. And that sauce on there, baby. And that good fried exterior. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. I love it. And I love all of you. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time. Enjoy them wings. And, yeah, what more can I say? Pardon me.